Hi, I am Pedro, and this is an important message for you. Have you just founded a company, or are you about to do it? Then you surely need a website. Don't make the mistake of trying to create it yourself or giving it to an amateur friend who pretends to help you. Of course, the temptation is great, since there are a few platforms going around on the internet that paint the sky of blue, that by placing their pre-made elements and without the need to use or even know programming, you can create in just a few hours the website of your dreams. I ask you, would you leave your health in the hands of an internet doctor who, after making you answer a standardized questionnaire, gives you a diagnosis of your supposed illness and tells you what measures to take? And this just because it is for free? Surely you wouldn't do it, running the risk of your health. Okay, you will say you can't play with your health, but are you willing to risk the capital invested in your brand new company? You must know that a website nowadays is the most visible thing that your company has. It is your letter of introduction. It is the most important publicity for your business. Therefore, a bad, or in the best case, poor website causes from the very beginning a bad impression of your company in your potential future clients, which you end up scaring them away rather than attracting them. The worst thing is that you usually have only one chance to generate an excellent impression, or as the well-known saying goes, the first impression is the one that counts. That is to say, even if you later realize your mistake and decide to redo your website, leaving it in professional hands this time, the damage is already done and you will hardly be able to erase it. I am a software engineer and I am dedicated for many years through my company PB Software to web design and development, using a wide range of existing modern tools in this field. My clients range from very small one-man companies to SMEs, also including clubs, leagues, associations, cooperatives, etc. I assure you a very high quality work, both in the functional structural aspect as also in terms of design attractiveness. And all this for much more affordable prices for every pocket than you can imagine. Leave your website in professional hands and dedicate your own time to what you are best qualified for, building your company. Do you want to extend your company with sales via internet? That is, to make it an online shop? I will help you to do it. Visit my website pbsoftware.ch, get to know me better, and contact me as soon as possible so we can start, without wasting time, with the conception of the website that the company of your dreams deserves and requires. I'll be glad to hear from you, so see you soon. Bye. I'll be waiting for you.